Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the most thrilling rides, the latest launches, and the future of performance cars from all around the world. If you're passionate about speed, design, and raw power, then you're in the right place. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into something truly electrifying, the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. Yes, you heard that right. The legend is back, louder, meaner, and faster than ever before. The Shelby GT350 has always stood as a symbol of pure American muscle, a car that doesn't just drive fast, it roars with attitude. And for 2026, Ford has taken everything we loved about the GT350 and pushed it beyond limits, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. Under that sculpted hood lies a 5.4-liter naturally aspirated V8, fine-tuned by Shelby engineers to deliver a jaw-dropping 580 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque. No turbos, no superchargers, just raw, mechanical muscle breathing through every rev. This engine screams up to 8,500 RPM, with a soundtrack so aggressive it could make any car enthusiast's heart race. Paired with a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, the 2026 GT350 stays true to its driver-focused roots. Ford wanted to make sure that this car delivers a pure, connected experience, something that's becoming rare in a world dominated by automatic gearboxes. Every shift feels crisp, every downshift rewards you with that addictive exhaust crackle that defines a Shelby. Now let's talk design, because this isn't just another Mustang. The 2026 Shelby GT350 is bolder, sharper, and more aerodynamic than ever before. Up front, the redesigned FASA features a larger, honeycomb-style grille for improved cooling, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that give it a menacing stare. The hood scoop isn't just for looks, it channels cool air directly into the intake system, boosting performance and keeping that monster V8 breathing freely. Move along the side and you'll notice widened fenders, lightweight carbon fiber side skirts, and new 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. The stance is lower and wider, giving the car an aggressive road presence that demands attention wherever it goes. Around back, the quad exhaust tips and active carbon rear diffuser remind you that this car isn't built for posing, it's built for power. And when it comes to handling, the 2026 GT350 is nothing short of a precision weapon. Thanks to a newly calibrated MagneRide suspension system, adaptive dampers, and a revised chassis setup, the car offers incredible cornering stability. Ford has also introduced a Track Plus mode, which sharpens throttle response, tightens steering, and opens up the active exhaust for an unfiltered experience. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tearing up the track, this car feels perfectly balanced, with feedback that's both raw and refined. Inside, the Shelby GT350 balances performance with modern luxury. The cabin now features Alcantara-wrapped Recaro seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and brushed aluminum trim that screams motorsport. The 12.4-inch digital cluster gives you full customization, showing real-time performance data like lap times, G-force, and shift indicators. The infotainment system is powered by Ford's latest Sync 5, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even track telemetry integration. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Ford's Copilot 360 system offers adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision assist, ensuring that this beast is as smart as it is fast. Overall, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 is more than just a car. It's a celebration of performance heritage, reborn. For a new era, it bridges the gap between classic American muscle and future-ready innovation. This is the kind of machine that turns every drive into an event, every roar into a memory. So, what do you think? Has Ford nailed it again with the new Shelby GT350? Would you take this over a Corvette or Camaro? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more automotive updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not just about getting there fast, it's about making every second behind the wheel count.